Jackson doesn't like chocolate milk.
Oh.
It doesn't matter.
Well, it might be good because it won't be too chocolatey, Jackson.
Olivia, bring it. What's that?
Is it the Angry Bird kite?
Oh. Cool.
Cool.
I thought Olivia said you guys had that. I didn't.
No, that's some Angry Bird erasers they got.
Yeah, I got the erasers. Squinkies.
I got
Oh,
Hello Kitty and Squinkies.
Mommy doesn't like Squinkies.
But those are Hello Kitty. She'll try to keep more track of them.
Olivia, you guys also have some crazy hair.
Yay!
Stickers.
Snickers, not stickers.
Sorry.
Snickers!
Olivia, bring your basket over.
She's more just doing Jackson now.
I'm gonna look for the chocolate bunny. She thinks she has everything. Jelly beans.
Whoa.
How about jelly beans?
Whoa, whoa. Snap that back.
Close it up again.
A necklace, mommy.
Baseball.
A Easter necklace.
Ooh.
Here's a butter egg. Ooh, I got Doris.
Basketball egg.
Chocolate milk. No, this is
Oh,
vanilla milk.
how'd you know that was a Milky Way? You said it was a better egg.
Mommy, this is my two favorite things. Oh no!
Basketball
I
and a
didn't
Milky
know
Way?
that. Yeah.
Cool.
What the?
An Easter ring and an Easter necklace.
Oh, wow.
What's an Easter ring?
Easter.
A ring.
Oh. Oh, I got a chocolate bunny too. What's
Here,
this?
it's over here.
Booze. Hey, Daddy, we saw this at the gas station yesterday.
We did?
Yeah, we did.
On someone's car?
No, we just saw it there, hanging up. Well, I saw it. I
What
don't
is
know.
it?
The rolling decal, whatever.
Vinyl,
The Tinkerbell thing.
vinyl decal. Oh, it means you put it on the window.
Can we open this? There's no candy
Or the
in it.
wall.
Well, shake it. I bet there is candy in it.
No. Okay, just some more. Just a Tinkerbell towel again.
Oh,
No,
cool.
not pants. Just more jelly beans.
Now I'm gonna have two of them. Cool, more
That's so cool.
Pokemon cards.
Ooh.
Oh, wow.
I had other cards. Oh,
What's
I got SpongeBob towel. I got SpongeBob football cards. Awesome.
That's not football.
Yeah.
That's a game called Crazy Eights.
Crazy 8.
Crazy Eights were Crazy Livy Bee.
Pop Rocks. Cotton candy flavored.
Olivia, what's in that big egg?
Flowers. I mean, a towel maker. I have one too.
Is that what it says?
I don't know. Socks. Oh no, this is socks. Oh, I got help. I got Tinkerbell socks.
Oh, you love socks.
Ah, I totally do not like Snapchat.
Well, totally don't have to eat them
I
then.
got Snapchat.
Snapchat.
Hey Jackson, would you like to have my Pop Rocks? No, I have my own. Well, I don't like
She's
Pop
trading
Rocks.
with you.
Oh yeah, you don't like.
You haven't even tried cotton candy Pop Rocks.
Huh? They're not
They're
watermelon.
cotton candy Pop
They're
Rocks.
They're not the watermelon
eggs.
ones. Cotton candy. Goldfish. Ooh, love goldfish.
Olivia, can you go on the other side of the table so I can see you on the camera?
Olivia, what's that, Olivia?
Olivia, I can't. You're getting too close. Oh!
Another my two favorite things.
Wow.
Princess.
EB really knows.
Oh, favorite kind of paper.
BB.